Hey traders, welcome to GoForex. And what I want to do today is offer you some encouragement in terms of how you trade using multiple charts. So I would encourage you to use multiple charts, especially if you have a TradingView account, which allows you to do it. You do need a premium subscription to use TradingView multiple charts, but I have found that they are invaluable if you're doing day trading and relying upon indicators and price action combined. So what we have here is a 4-up layout. I've labeled it 4-up Renko because I'm referencing a 3-minute chart on the Renko side here on the left bottom corner. And I do this to keep me in a trade or to get me out of a trade. You'll notice I have a variety of indicators on the charts. These simply help me monitor what's going on with price action and what's happening with the instrument itself. So let's go through what I have revealed or what I have visualized on the chart as you see it right now. Now, the other thing is this is a live trade. I have a live trade going on this instrument, USD JPY. I was up $12 and now I'm down to $1.90 right now, but I'm going to stay in this trade simply because of this guy right here. The Renko chart tells me a lot of information, as well as the 2-hour chart up here in the top left-hand quadrant. So let's talk about my indicators. The first thing you'll see, the first thing that I want you to notice are the lines on my chart. These lines have been drawn using a particular indicator called the fixed range volume profile. And if you use the fixed range volume profile, it's pretty easy. You just mark out where you want the profile to navigate, and it will give you a point of interest or a point of control, and then you can see the other areas of price action or volume where price wants to go to. So you can see that price right now is hovering around a very prominent point of control. These other lines that you see, the orange dashed lines, those are places of value. We call them value points or value nodes. These are places where prices are likely to go to. And in this case, I am using the likely go to of this particular line that I'm highlighting with my cursor. And on the 2-hour chart, you can see that my 30 exponential moving average is above the price, which is a good thing. And, tends to mean that price is moving down if the price is below the 30 exponential moving average. And I'm hoping that price will move down to that 136.576 price point. That's my target. If you look over to the right-hand side, you'll see that I have a 15-minute chart. My encouragement for you today is to use multiple charts as a means of staying in a trade and not getting out of it psychologically, because what I have found over the last several months is that I will get out of a trade when I see price action moving against me. Well, that's counterproductive. I mean, if you think about surfers, what do? They get out there on the ocean, and what do they have to do? They have to get over a wave coming in and another wave coming in, and they got to get over another wave coming in until they find the wave that they want to get to ride. Okay, you'll see these waves up and down and up and down, and what you want to do is ride the tide, so to speak. So surfers, when they hit the ocean, they're going to ride the tide. They go out during a particular time of the day or a particular time of the month when they know that the waves are going to go in their direction, when they're going to get good waves. Let me talk about some of the two other indicators that you see I'm using on all four of the charts. This is the wave trend, this one here, this red and green lined one. This is the wave trend lazy bear. This is an amazing, amazing indicator. You could probably trade with the lazy bear, with this wave trend lazy bear, all by itself. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. If you got in this trade when wave trend was right there, you see what I'm talking about? The wave trend eventually bottomed out, and of course you want to get out there, but you'll notice that what happens is as price action moves down, so does the wave trend, so does the stochastic. That would be looking at the stochastic, that would be a great place to get out. Look where it is. It's right there on that particular candle. I'm fully expecting that price will move down to this 136,562 line, which I have drawn using the volume profile indicator. The other two things that are encouraging to me are the wave trend, lazy bear, still says that price is moving down because the red line is above the green line. And my stochastic on the 2-hour also says that price is still moving down. It hasn't bottomed out. The orange line is above the blue line. I look at my Renko chart, and my Renko chart has the SSL down button on red bricks below the 30 EMA, and there's space between the red and the green on the wave trend, and space between the orange and the blue on the stochastic. And even if I look over here on the 3-minute chart, in the right-hand quadrant, I can see that price is still inching down, although it's consolidating, and that will happen. Price consolidates. You'll find that most of your reputable gurus in Forex will tell you always reference your larger time frame chart, because it's going to help you understand what's happening in the macro. So I was on the 1 hour. I didn't realize that. I typically have my upper left-hand quadrant price on the 2 hour, but it was on the 1 hour. There's a little bit of difference, as you well can tell. But just for grins, and I haven't done this, so this is going to be new to both of us. I'm going to go to the 4 hour and see what it says. The 4 hour says I've got a lot of room to roam in terms of price going down, because it's just getting started on the wave trend at the top of the price point. And if I go to the daily, I'm going to suspect that, there is a lot of room to roam going down. So in reality, if I was really, 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 really brave and would set my stop loss kind of above my comfort zone, I could probably go down to this level, 134,716 on my take profit. And if I did that, let's just see what would happen. 134. Roughly $100 on a $500 account. Okay, that's significant. But I'm not that brave. I don't think I want to do that. There's a lot of price action going on between there and there, right? I mean, I'm looking at the daily. I mean, if I was really brave and wanted to go for weeks at a time with this trade, I would wait till it got all the way down there to get out of it. Hope that helps a little bit. Appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to comment. Again, I'm not giving advice. I'm simply trying to educate. Okay, you guys have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great rest of the week. And I'm hopeful that you're productive in your trading efforts. Go Forex. God bless America.